Pinipirmahan mo lang and you get 1,500 for that. I do not know even if you read all the thesis submitted by your students. That's not agreeable to human nature.
So bakit kailangan yung mag-charge ng ganito? 1,500 is very minimal. Pero sa isang mahirap na nagpapaaral sa isang state university ay malaki yon. Ang sa akin po dito, pag ganyan po ang inyong pananaw, wala kang social justice. And if you don't have social justice, I think you have to resign.
Aside from their tuition fee, pinagbabayad nyo pa sila ng 11,000 para lahat po sa advisor, panelist, yung mag-e-edit ng kanyang thesis.
Pinagkakakitaan nyo pa ang isang mahirap.
All this defense in one day, more or less around 7 hanggang 8 defense panel.
It is the Honorable Chair, it is the Dean of the Graduate School who make the schedule.
Yeah, but as the president, you have a say.
Yeah.
You can actually say no, that there are no available panelists.
Yeah,
So,
that's why we
chairman,
schedule some of this.
some documents that you signed in order to collect that 1,500 pesos. It appears there that you are the chairman of the panel
Yes.
of the defense panelists. So chairman ka eh.
So that's why we change. We put that most openly the schedule that is being presented by the dean.
Eh bakit lahat nung June 6 may pirma ka?
Yes, of course. But
So are you telling me that in June 6 all this defense happened and you are all present in all this defense?
if that yes, if I could be present.
That's ridiculous, Madam Chair. Do not fool this committee, Mr. Gamboa, because obviously may problema ka dyan. Now, moving forward, Madam Chair.
Yes. Dr. Gamboa, hindi ho ba ito masyadong nakaka-mental drain yung sunod-sunod? Kasi as far as I know, pag nagtitesis ka, you really have to focus. But since you're part of it, may quality students sa ba tayo noon? Pagka ganyan, meron ba tayong, even the panelists are they capable of hearing all of those thesis?
That is the very reason, Madam Chair, that most oftenly the schedule were not being followed because of that kind of scenario that hindi mapatantiya kung kailan matapos yun ang isang defense.
But June 6 is, you have 7, no?
Yeah, it was scheduled on that one, but I don't think so that the 7 were completed on that date.
Oh, how come? You have you have completed it because you signed it. And
yeah, I
there's
know.
actually
But the
system. If it's there,
all
it's locked.
defense might happen on that one. I have to check on my record, Honorable
Oh,
Chair.
you have to check that because that's bad. Koa, take note of that. Yes, Kong.
Madam Chair, may I ask some clarificatory questions to the President of SNSU? Dr. Gamboa, do you find it appropriate na kayo po ay mag-chair ng panelist sa pre-oral at saka defense proper ng thesis reporting?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
You find it appropriate?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Oh, yes. May I know your basis?
On the first place is that it was being observed during our several meetings that theses are being made hurriedly, and yung mga content nandyan at talaga sa database at saka yung pinapalitan yung title na lang. So we have to make sure that these theses are not being what they call appropriated, in the sense that it is not, I cannot prove this one, but there was a situation there that
That is
binabayaran
only
na
your
lang yung-
speculation, Doctor.
Yes.
And you find it appropriate na dapat mag-sit ka as chairman, lahat po ng thesis defense, and you get a fee of 1,000 to 1,500 per student. You find that appropriate? Sinagot mo ko kanina, yes.
Yes, but the payment is not appropriate, because there are
The
several.
payment is not appropriate.
Yes,
What do you
because
mean by that?
because there are several occasions. I just let it go with the payment, Honorable Chair. There were cases.
You let go of the payment.
Yes, because that is the actual happening on the field.
Did you request the dean of the colleges na kayo po ay maging membro ng o maging chairman ng panel, ng CC's defense panel?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga different deans ng colleges, kayo po ang pinipili maging chairman?
That is what I know, Honorable Chair.
And how many colleges got you as chairman of their defense panel?
Only in the graduate school, Honorable Chair.
Siyempre, graduate school. So, ilan na?
There is only one. There are in the one program in the doctorate degree and 3, I think, on the undergrad, if I'm not mistaken.
Yung masteral degree, you do not sit?
Come again.
Masteral degree.
Bachelor degree.
Masteral.
Yeah, bachelor degree.
You also sit.
Yes.
So ilang defense
Yeah.
panel lang inuupuan mo?
That is only one on the graduate school and no. Because they are both under on the doctorate degree and the masteral degree, Honorable Chair.
Ano po yung subject matter ng doctoral degree?
More on management, Honorable Chair.
Management. So iisa lang ang ino-offer nyo na doctoral degree.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
How about masteral degree?
Master's degree, I think there were 4 or 5 program.
4 or
Management
5.
pa rin.
And you sit as chairman of all the defense panel?
Yeah, because management pa rin yung Honorable Chair.
Dahil sa management, kayo po ang uupo na chairman.
Maybe that is their perception, Honorable Chair.
Which I do not believe. Di ba? Are you trying to tell me that the students will pay for the 1,000 or 1,500 fee? It is not the school that pays?
Ang panel P, Honorable Chair. The students are paying that one. The students are paying.
So, kung alam ko yung panel ko ay composed ng ikaw at saka siguro si Attorney Lenes at saka Lopez. Tama ba? Yung taga-CHED. Bibigyan ko sila ng 10,000, pasado na ako.
I think that is not possible, Honorable Chair.
Why is it not possible? It has happened.
Well, not happening on our university, Honorable Chair.
Hindi nga. Is that not possible?
Well, I could not comment on that one, Honorable Chair.
I beg your pardon?
I cannot comment on that issue, Honorable Chair.
Now, if you do not sign the thesis defense, they will not pass as chairman?
During the panel, they are already been declared as pass. Doon sa libro nila, it is proof of compliance na on the after the debate.
Sabi po niyo, Chairman, kanina, or Mr. President, na yung mga pinirmahan nyo, kahit hindi kayo present eh.
Yeah, but there were
It's the purpose, di ba?
during the defense, Honorable Chair.
Yes.
Well,
Wala ka. Tapos pipirma ka?
I have to review all the
Eh,
documents.
nagtanong ka ba? Ikaw naman, dumaan din ako dyan eh. Pinipirmahan mo lang and you get 1,500 for that? I do not know even if you read all the thesis submitted by your students. Come on. That's not that's not agreeable to human nature. Yung nga nagko-correct ng kwan eh, ng bar exam eh. Pag hindi niya mabasa yung sulat mo, eh, kino-cross na niya eh. Mr. President.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
Thank you.
Yeah, to my colleagues, I was just like hearing all of those. The reason why ang rason bakit nag-aaral ang mga mag-aaral sa isang state university ay para magkaroon sila ng una, kwalidad na pag-aaral na edukasyon. Pangalawa, makatipid ang magulang para magastos sa iba. Dahil maaaring ang isang magulang ay hindi lang isa o dalawang anak, kaya nakakatipid. So bakit kailangan yung mag-charge ng ganito? 1,500 is very minimal. Pero sa isang mahirap na nagpapaaral sa isang state university ay malaki yon. Ang sa akin po dito, pag ganyan po ang inyong pananaw, wala kang social justice. And if you don't have social justice, I think you have to resign. Kasi para sa akin, ang isang presidente ng isang state university o isang universidad, dapat merong magmalasakit. Pero yung mag-charge kayo ng 1,500 na hindi ka naman po pala talaga nakaupo. Babasahin mo lang pala yun na dapat mo naman talagang basahin dahil sabi nyo nga po, party kayo. Pero hindi naman kayo nakikinig. Tama po ba? Hindi kayo kasama doon sa panel? O kasama kayo sa panel?
Hindi, as chairman.
Hindi. Can you get 1,500?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, I think you have to resign pagka ganyan.
Can I explain na, Honorable Chair?
1,500 is 1,500
Yeah,
sa isang mahirap.
But we are talking here on the graduate school, not on the undergrad students.
So, given
Ah.
alam niyo po, kung ako po ay isang estudyante na gusto kong pumasok sa isang kolehiyo o kahit graduate school, pipiliin ko po na may pangalan ng universidad. Kasi if I go to Ateneo, I get better work. If I go to Lazal, I get better work. If I go to St. Paul's College of Manila or University, I get better work. After that, di ba? I go to USC, big schools. University of the Philippines, big schools. Or I even go to the Ivy League schools. Like I went to Harvard. Doon ako pupunta. Kasi gusto ko, kahit pa paano, may edge ako. Pag nag-apply ako online, kukunin ako agad ng JP Morgans, kukunin agad ako ng malalaking kumpanya. Pero sa 1,500, pinagkakakitaan nyo pa ang isang mahirap. Ay, hindi tayo magkakasundo dyan, Mr. President.
Yeah, I agree with you, ma'am. But Madam Chair, there was a committee of on that one in the graduate school. And in the first place, the graduate school is a special program of the university. At saka wala itong subsidy when it comes to personal services coming from the government. It is only the operating expenses, but not on the PS of the people teaching in the graduate school.
Teka muna po, I beg to disagree. You're telling us na yung sa graduate schools ay hindi gumagamit ng pasilidad ng gobyerno?
What I mean, Honorable Chair, is that under the line item under GAA, there were no personal services intended for the graduate school. It is only the MOOA that is stipulated.
But still, you're still using the facility
Yes,
of the government
yes.
school.
Yes.
Using electricity,
Yeah.
you're using the chairs and tables, you're using everything. So, I mean, I beg to disagree with that, sir.
Okay.
Mr. President, 1,500, kahit ano pang sabihin niyo sa probinsya, malaking bagay po yun. And that, for me, it's not acceptable. To my colleagues,
Madam Chair. Dr. Gambawa, sabi nyo kanina, walang item sa budget for personal services for graduate school. Saan nyo kinukuha yung pambayad sa mga professors ninyo?
Tuition fee po nila po, Honorable Chair.
Tuition fee
Yeah, ng
One.
graduate school.
ng graduate school.
Yes.
So, magkano po ang tuition fee ng isang estudyante na graduate school? Especially masteral and doctoral.
I think that is between 400 per unit, 600 per unit, Honorable Chair.
600 per unit.
Yes.
And your professors are happy with that.
That is also the very reason that we brought this issue to the board, because the income derived.
Tinatanong ko po yun dahil bakit pa kayo nagtayo ng graduate school kung wala naman palang PS, walang capital outlay? MOE ninyo galing sa estudyante.
What is in the line item is only the MOE.
O meron kayong MOE for graduate study.
Oh,
For graduate study. Sa budget?
Sa budget for graduate
O
study.
para lang sa eskwelahan?
Hindi po, for graduate study po, meron talagang MOE for graduate study, higher education, graduate study po, ma'am, sir.
Okay. Maghaharap naman tayo sa budget sa Oktubre, September, October. Pagdating ng SUC, makikita ko talaga kung may line item
At sa-
for graduate studies ng MOE.
yeah, and we continue to propose in the DBM to have a PS item, a line item for the graduate school. But until this time, there were no appropriation that were being granted to us.
And aside from the tuition fee, pinagbabayad nyo pa sila ng 11,000 para lahat po sa advisor, panelist, yung mag-e-edit ng kanyang thesis.
Well, I could not see how much this will cost.
Di ba? Pinagbabayad nyo eh.
Yeah, kasi hindi yun per panel, hindi yun magkaparehas yung payment. I think yun, Honorable Chair.
What is the average?
Maybe 1,112.
11.
1,001.
Hindi nga, ilan ang panelist no?
Ang panel is maybe the maximum of 5, Honorable Chair.
Kasi total yan eh.
Yeah.
Oh. Di ba? Ang total ninyo nag-average ng 11,000 per student. Nandito sa records eh. Tinignan ko. Oh, including the thesis advisor and the editor. Tama? Dapat alam niyo yun eh. Panelist kayo eh. Di po ba?
Yeah, Honorable Chair.
Yes. And sa isang lugar na Surigao del Norte, ano po yung class na probinsya po ninyo?
Class 3, class sa city sa Surigao.
Hindi naman siguro yung estudyante niyo. Kaya nandun po sila, hindi makapunta dito sa Maynila o hindi po makapunta sa Cebu, di po ba? Tama. Kaya nagtitiyaga sila ron. Alam ko rin po yan dahil doon na aking lugar sa Rizal, meron din kaming State University. At yung mga mahihirap at nakakatira sa Laylayan, doon po sila State University namin sa province of Rizal. Di po ba? Siguro, yung sitwasyon na yun, ganun din po doon sa inyo. Tama? O baka mas malala pa? Kasi nadistino ako sa Agusan del Norte. Kapitbahay ko lang yung Surigao del Norte. Nadistino po ako ron. Kaya alam ko. At tama si Chairman Robes na she will not agree with you. Lalo yung pinahirapan yung estudyante. Imbis na umangat siya sa madaling paraan, pinahihirapan po ninyo. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you so much, Kong Akop. Kong Ace.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Parang ano talaga obvious na obvious dito, Madam Chair, na may pagtatakip, may pagtatago. Doon lang sa punto na kung saan they require the students to pay them for being panelists in their thesis defense is already, sabi mo nga, hindi katanggap-tanggap at napaka-unreasonable.